Your Amazon listing is probably losing 20 to 40% of potential sales right now, and you have no idea. Not because your product is bad or your price is wrong, it's because Amazon changed how shoppers see your listing, especially on mobile. By the end of this video, you will see 5 conversion killers most sellers ignore, and exactly how to fix them step by step, with real examples that you can implement today. We are going to talk about shoppable collection, premium A+ content, mobile first images, cross promotion, and videos that actually convert. Each step is actionable and profitable. If you do as I say, you're gonna see profit rising up. And guess what? You don't need to pay a single penny. Alright, let's start with a listing that's struggling. One of the fastest way to boost conversions, the shoppable collections. This one is the shoppable collection module, Amazon's new A+ feature that replaced the old brand story. Most sellers have never even heard of this, and that's costing them thousands. Here is how it works. Big custom banner with a shop button, clickable product tiles, mini ads for your other listings. The result? Instantly more clicks, more sales, and more conversions. So you need to either a brand story or shoppable collection. To get the brand story, just hit the hamburger menu, go to advertising, then A+ content manager, click start creating A+ content, and you will see 2 options, basic and premium. That's exactly what this listing is using. Right now, it's on basic A+, and yeah, the modules are all over the place. Alright, so basic is the older A+ layout, and premium is newer, looks better on mobile, can include videos, and shows right in the product description area. But we are not diving into A+ content just yet. We are talking about the space above it where the magic happens. That's where the old brand story or the new shoppable collection module lives. Adding either one can give you listing a quick conversion boost. You'll feel it almost immediately. Brand story is simple but powerful. You get 4 module types, clickable product tiles, basically free ads for your other listings, a big banner image, an about us block with a spot for your logo or an extra image, and finally a small Q&A section. Most sellers stick to 2 main modules, the big banner image and the clickable product tiles. Now shoppable collection works a bit differently. Every module here acts like a mini ad for your products. You have got a large custom image with a shop button, basically a full width ad right on your listing. Then there are smaller product cards. You can show 2 items from your store, top rated bestsellers or a custom collection. You can highlight a single product or even run a video inside the module, which is huge for conversion. The result? With the same traffic, more buyers click, more sales happens, and your listing performs way better, almost instantly. In this listing, they are missing all of that. Nothing shows up on their listing. So what's the fastest way to boost conversions? They're A+ content. The problem is it's rough. They're using regular A+ content, and honestly, it's not doing them any favors. The fix? Switch to premium A+ content. So if you don't see premium option in your A+ content manager, it just means you haven't qualified yet. Alright, to unlock it, you need a brand story loaded on all your ASINs and at least 5 approved A+ submissions. You can even submit changes on the same listing to hit the count. Some brands need up to 15 approvals, but most get it after 5. Once you do, premium A+ looks way cleaner, better mobile layouts, stronger modules, and the ability to add videos. With premium, you can add videos, which is huge for conversions. Use interactive modules where shoppers swipe or tap through features. Also bigger images that fill up the entire area. Include a better comparison table with add to cart buttons for other products, which boost AOV, that means average order value, and ad performance. Include a Q&A module that helps filter the wrong buyers before they leave bad reviews. This alone can lift your overall star rating. Alright, moving on, let's talk about secondary images. Everything on your listing should be mobile first, because 75% of Amazon traffic comes from mobile. That's especially true for secondary images. Look at this one. The text is tiny. No one can read it on mobile, so it's basically useless. You only get a few images to communicate key points, so every single one counts. Here's the formula for secondary images. Add lifestyle, benefit, feature images, product in use, ours versus theirs, and what's included. Following this setup ensures your images are working hard to sell your product, not wasting space. Alright, there are also a bunch of other image types you can include depending on your products. Size, guides, ingredients, origins, certification, instructions, before and after shots, material quality, or even your brand story. Alright, so this listing not even close. That's why it's not at the top for the niche, which is huge opportunity by the way. Now, let's look at the listing that's doing it right. The brand story takes up the full screen on desktop and it looks great on mobile too. Very engaging, super visuals and much more likely to convert shoppers. Alright, so let's scroll down and the Premium A+ content has video playing right in the scroll. Mobile friendly white gates, full white comparison tables you can see here, and even buttons to add products directly to the cart. This brand is crushing it, which is why it's one of the top supplement brands on Amazon. Alright, so the next big opportunity for this listing is cross promotion to increase average order value. This is huge for making your traffic more profitable. Here is one easy way: virtual bundles. You can add virtual bundles right under the variations. This listing doesn't have them, but it's perfect for it. They act as free ads, take up more space, and boost average order value instantly. Next up is cross promotion via ads. This brand isn't using frequently brought together with its own products. You can get that by running sponsored product ads targeting your other listings. Doing this increases the chances your products show up together, and these spots are usually filled by competitors. So why not your own brand? You can also get these spots at the bottom of the page, right above the reviews, with more of your own videos. Again, you need to target your own listing with ads to make it happen. This way, the customer stays in your brand ecosystem, not someone else. Alright, finally, product videos. This listing does pretty well here. They have 6 videos, some uploaded by the brand, but many by influencers or customers. These user-generated videos are often even more powerful than the ones you upload because they build trust and shows real-life uses. These can be videos you can upload yourself, videos from creators via Amazon Creator Connections, or even videos left by reviewers. All of this shows up on your listing and help boost conversions. Alright, so that's everything you can do right now to increase your listing profitability, get more sales from the same traffic just by improving conversions. Most of this you could implement in minutes or a couple of hours at most. But if you have a hard time doing this, don't worry. We at Ecomclips got your back. With 15 years of experience, we can help you optimize your listing, create high converting A+ content, set up shoppable collections, and manage your PPC to make your traffic work harder for you. If you want to take your Amazon business to the next level without the guesswork, check out the links in the description to grab our resources or partner with our team. Send us email at info@ecomclips.com. Let's get your listing at their full potential. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.